Hello everyone, it's me, Amy. It's nice to see you again. Welcome to my channel. Today we will apply again to another company, which is the BizMates. So I will guide you through your application. I applied yesterday. Yeah, for those who want to apply in BizMates, let's go and let's review first. So what is a BizMate? Of course, I need a ChatGPT. Here, BizMates is Japan headquartered online business English school that hires home-based trainers, especially in the Philippines. Mostly the students there are adults and professionals. So in applying here, you just need Google to search the BizMates application form here. So how to apply, just click the first one. Basta nakita niyo tong page na to, ito yon. So apply now, click apply now. So just write your name there, applicant registration, your first name. So, di ba ma-disqualified ako? Kasi I applied yesterday. So, wala pang result yung interview. Hopefully, I'm just trying my luck. But maybe I won't get the job again. So, yeah. So, I used different email. So, I could show it to you. And so your full name, your surname, and your active email account, and then register. So you just need to register first. Registration complete. So you have to check your um, email. After you register, may ma-receive kang email. So here, thank you for registering. Complete your application now. So again, after you register, go to the email that you used to register. So here, click the button below to get started. So let's click that one and then start. So I am a resident of the Philippines. Next, I have or I can obtain tax identification number, TIN number. Yes, BPI account, clean record with BIR. Although maybe I'm not sure here, maybe I cannot, but just yes. So I am willing to register with the BIR as a professional. Yeah, kasi I think my tax sa BizMates. But let's see. So your birthday. My birthday is August 5, 1998. So yung mga gusto magpadala ng gift, yung mga students ko, you can send it in advance since it's now July. Oh, I cannot find. Gender is female and mobile number. So, what? 09. Gamitin ko na lang the other. So, after you fill out this one, just click next. Education. So, if you're bachelor's, vocational, undergrad. Yeah. So, minor, what's that? Minor or major. So, I'm education. Years of work experience. Work experience. What work experience? Just click. And yes. And next one, online teaching experience. Yes, I have. And I saw this in Facebook. Yeah. So next, a complete online teaching experience. You will write the school. Okay, so I work in, let's say, publish. So here's the next one, English skill check. But before you begin, confirm the following to make sure everything goes smoothly. So first, I am on a strong, just check that one. I have 15 minutes, I have a headset with a microphone, and I am motivated and ready to rock. Let's go. Yeah, so this is the grammar test. Okay, grammar test. Select the best answer. So let's answer with me. But they aren't away. I saw them this morning. They were in the lobby. They're sharp. Answer. So application complete. Thank you for applying. Please give us up to 3 days to process your application. If you don't receive an email in 3 days, be sure to check your spam folder. So, yan. After 3 days now. But here's the result already. So just right after the exam, you will see it. Let's see. Hello, Business Philippines inviting you to one-way video interview. Oh, please submit your video recording before July 8. So my due date siya. Today is July 5 and the due date will be July 8. So parang 2 to 3 days. If you receive the email that you passed the exam, then scroll down. So you will see here. By the way, what to expect? In a one-way video interview, the company has several questions they'd like you to answer in a video recording you'll submit. To learn more about one-way interviews and how to prepare, click the button below. So, yeah. By the way, the exam is different from what I take yesterday. So, magkakaiba yata. From what I remember, mine is very easy yung kanina. So, yun, I think magkakaiba yung exam. So take note of that if you will take the exam. After that, again, if you receive the email, just scroll down and view interview invitation. So I will just show it to you. I won't answer the interview. So yan. And then you click the go interview. So again, I don't know if we have the same questions in interview, but I took a picture of the questions. There are 5 questions, and ang maganda doon is you can retake, and it's unlimited, so you can retake kahit ilan until it's perfect. Yeah. So let's try. Just click go to your interview. I agree, then continue. Yeah. So here you will watch this about BizMates and everything. So yan, panoorin niyo lang yan. So I will skip now. Next, way online interview tutorial. So may tutorial naman dito on how. So skip. But I will show to you the questions. So yung first question ko sa interview is this. Yan. Please tell us your full name and walk us through your educational background and career journey, including your years of experience. Just like introduce yourself, but don't forget to mention your full name, educational background, career, and years of experience. Next. So the third question, sorry, I wasn't able to take a picture of number 2. But yeah, so number 3, how do you ensure a stable internet connection for your online lessons, and what backup strategies do you have in case of connectivity? Yes, so ang maganda dito, the retake is unlimited. So you can retake until it's perfect. But dahil tamad ako, so I just take. So yeah. The time limit is 1 minute to answer the question. And yeah, takes remaining unlimited po yung pag-take mo ng, so may retake doon. Next one, number 4. Number 4 question. How would you handle a situation where a student is frustrated or unhappy during a lesson? Yeah, so the same, 1 minute din yung time limit niyan, and unlimited din yung retake. Pag nagkamali kayo, okay lang. So, I'm sure you will pass. Next, last one is number 5. 5 questions lang po yung nandun. So, what qualities or experiences make you confident that you're a great match for the business English trainer position? So, it's like, tell me why would we hire you? Parang ganon. So, 1 minute then. How long would you answer? 1 minute and kasi pag lumagpas siya, mag-i-stop na yung video nyo. So, mag-i-stop na yung recording. And retake is unlimited. Unlimited po lahat yun. So, until here lang. After that one, I don't know when will they respond again. So, I'll wait and I'll update you. That's all about my application in BizMates. So, yun yung first step. And once again, good luck in your application in BizMates if you will apply. So, I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye!